Okay, so hi dear Virgo, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Virgo singles for Sun, Moon, Venus rising for the rest of the month of July 2026. Keep in mind this is general, this might or might not resonate with you. Don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you. Okay, for personal reading healing session, check out the description box, will find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Okay, Virgo, your current energies regarding your love and relationship area. Let's see what we have. We have the Seven of Pentacles and the Eight of Cups and the Two of Cups, and bottom of the deck is the Ten of Cups. You are still in this energy of walking away from someone with whom you had a really good, really beautiful, really happy-go-lucky kind of a connection with at some point of time, or you had a vision of having a full-fledged family or happily ever after kind of a deal with somebody at some point of time. You are still in this energy of walking away or detaching yourself. You are waiting and watching and hoping for that day to come where you are going to be completely detached or completely out of a situation where you were deeply connected to that particular person or energy on a very soulful level, and you still care for them, you still have feelings for them, but you are trying to detach and walk away completely from the situation. That is what your current energies are telling me, that until unless you guys are going to be completely over something or someone that you still care about, you guys will not be able to move forward towards anyone new or anything new. And that's what you are trying to do here. You are just trying to detach, walk away, and take your time. Yeah, the cuckoo bird. Coo. Mhm. Before you guys are going to jump into any kind of connection or reconnection, in fact. Okay, that's what your current energies are regarding love and relationship. Let's see what are your energies for a new person, new connection, new bond for this month, Virgo. I have the Five of Pentacles, the Page of Swords, and the Fool card. Bottom of the deck is the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, somebody who is coming out of a fresh breakup or separation or certain kind of losses in their life will enter in your space. Okay, for most of it's an online connection or a long distance connection. This is someone who is coming out of either a victim mentality, abandonment or trust issues, or certain kind of financial losses in their life, and they're going to talk to you about these losses. They're going to talk to you about how they were betrayed or how they were cheated on, or how they were their finances were going down or something, and you are going to start talking, and then the talking is going to pick up pace, and with time the situation is going to become more than a friendship. It's like it's going to be just a friendship from a distance. It's going to be two people talking to each other, sharing their journey and so on, and then finding ways to come back to each other again and again and again. It's like a destined kind of energy between you and this person. Let's see for this new person, new energy, what is the message from the oracle. We have the very soon. Clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. Yeah, if you feel like you feel a connection with this person before moving further, try to express your feelings and desires and needs out of a situation to them, and try to understand their point of view and their energies also, and then maybe take it forward. And until unless you guys are feeling like it's friendly and cordial and you're doing fine, it's okay. But once you're going to feel like you are looking for something and this person might be able to give it to you, talk to them very openly and honestly about it, so that there is not going to be any kind of issue in the coming future. Let's see what are your energies for a past person, past situation. Now it can be a past lover, it can be a friend, it can be somebody you rejected, and or the vice versa, because the past is a very vast subject and nobody can pinpoint that that's the exact person that we are talking about. I'll try to figure that out for you guys. Let's see, Virgo. I have the Star card, the Queen of Pentacles, the Four of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Queen of Swords. Okay, there is some kind of conflict or chaos or drama going on, fight going on between you guys right now, and it's quite nasty. Okay, something nasty is going on between you and this past person, but there are good chances of you guys sorting it out with the person, especially with whom you were married to, or maybe you're still married to, and or you guys were about to get married to, or you had a vision of getting settled with that person. So it was a really, really, really deep and strong and very, very serious kind of a bond, serious kind of a connection that you were sharing with somebody. There are chances of you healing a situation with someone with whom you see a future with, or you saw a future with at some point of time. Things are going to be a little bit better than what they are right now. Things are going to be little bit more healed and resolved and little bit more at peace with you guys, with like between you guys. Now if you guys are going to take it forward or not, but maybe a full on closure is coming where both of you are talking to each other and releasing the situation with maturity, a mutual with mutual understanding, and or this energy of sorting things out, healing things with each other, and then taking it forward from that point onwards, whatever you guys are going to decide. Let's see for this past person, past situation, past connection, what what's the energy. Release your ex. This time the time has come to clear your energy. Maybe this person or this ex of yours, okay, this might not be exactly the ex of yours. Okay, this might be somebody who is interested in having a good relationship with you, but because of your ex you guys might not be able to connect with this person on that level. If this is your ex that you had a marriage or committed kind of connection with, you need to release this ex of yours from your life, because this person is not allowing you to connect with anybody. If this is not an ex, if this is somebody like a friend or somebody who's getting more and more interested in you and they feel like they can have a future with you, uh, then also you need to release your ex. Basically, release your ex. Okay, if this is your ex, maybe talk to them properly. Maybe not. Virgo, this is very confusing. So if this is an ex of yours with whom you had a fight or rift with, and you guys can sort it out with each other, there are very good chances of you guys doing that. If this is not an ex of yours, if this is a friend or somebody with whom you can see a good future with, you guys can connect and create something meaningful, then you should let go of your ex completely out of your system in order to be with this person. If you feel like giving them a chance, give it with all of your heart and soul. Otherwise, don't get involved. That's tough. Let's see the guidance here for you guys, Virgo, for this 1 month for the situation. We have the Three of Wands, the Nine of Pentacles, the Nine of Wands. Bottom of the deck is Devil. Beware of somebody trying to trap you into this third party energies, trying to make you a part of a third party equation. Beware of doing that, and or the vice versa is also applicable. Don't do this shit that you're dealing with a new person, then you're connected to the past person also, and then you're trying to mix and match both of them and trying to get something from somewhere, then something from somewhere, and creating a shit show and creating a mess here, and then ruining your own life and blaming the whole universe and the divine for your own shit. Take it how it resonates with you, but beware, be very, very aware of you getting involved in third party energies or getting someone involved in your third party's energies. Okay, create stronger boundaries. Create stronger boundaries. If you want something meaningful in your life, you have to create stronger boundaries. You have to follow those boundaries. You have to stop people from doing things that they should not be doing in order to enter in your space or not to enter in your space. So simple as that. I think I got the same message for Leo also as guidance. Don't get involved in any kind of third party energies, and create stronger boundaries where you should not be allowing people or situations to enter in your space and create any kind of mess in your life. Okay, the more you are going to have, the stronger the boundaries, the easier your life is going to be. And if you're not feeling ready for the past or for the new or anyone, you need your time, you need your space, do that, just take that. Okay, nobody should force you. You should not do anything in pressure just for the sake of doing something and then regretting it later on. Don't do that. Hmm? Let's see the final message for you guys for this month, Virgo. I have religious factors. Your love life is influenced by your religious upbringing and spiritual path. Religious factor or spiritual issue, spiritual differences might also be an issue. Look out for those things also, where you might ignore it at first, but it is going to become a very difficult to deal with kind of situation in the coming future if not taken care of properly and honestly right now only. The religious factors and the spiritual path that you might be following, one of you might be religious, one of you might be spiritual, and or you might be having religious differences, or your spiritual point of views are totally different from each other. It's not a matter of just surviving with each other. It's a matter of living life together with each other, being respectful towards each other, and loving towards each other. If you guys can work on these things, good. If you guys cannot work on these things, don't ignore these factors. Okay, keep them in mind and uh, properly convey to the other person also, right? Cool. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Virgo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.